Hey folks, welcome to the channel and welcome to my new van. This is my Fiat Doblo, my new machine to get me throughout the country. So a bit of a backstory, why have I got myself a van, or how's it come about? Basically the old car, the Vauxhall Insignia, went to work it one day, it died, got a big huge repair bill. I thought, no, I'm not paying that, it's only worth £2 grand. So I've gone for this instead. I've had this for about 4 weeks now. I've been doing a bit of a van conversion. Luckily for me, I only go to work 1 day a week, work from home 4 days a week. I must say it's a brand new job as well. The new employees have been really kind and said, yeah, you get yourself sorted. There is a video coming up on the channel soon anyway, bit of a van conversion, because it's completely different to what it was. Got a nice finish in here and nice snug and warm. Slept there last night and the sleeping out bag and everything, and the bike just here. Anyway, it's not a what's in the van video. We're going to get out there, get riding, tell you more about what's happening today. I'm here on the gravel bike today, nearly 40% off-road this Saturday, and riding Sunday as well. So essentially each day. So it should be a great weekend. It is cold though. I'm just off this side of the River Trent, heading towards Nottingham. Gonna be heading past the yacht club towards Loudon, following the trail to Nottingham, and well, I'll tell you the rest as I reach it. So there's a bit of everything in today's route: town, city and rural countryside. And although it's 40% off-road, it is all flat around here. Well, pretty much. So although a lot of today's route is actually pretty new to me, I'm riding lots of new places, some may be inaccessible, but this bit around Hovering Fields I've been here plenty before, even on the road bike in the spring and summer. Camped out by the River Trent. It's very popular for night fishing, so there's plenty of night fishing spots. I've already seen about 4 or 5 tents pitched up. I was nearly going to be doing an Audax today. Contacted the organiser, who's obviously very busy. Didn't get back in touch, obviously very busy, left it last minute. But I thought I'd come this way anyway with the gravel bike, just to do a bit of off-road. So why I come to Nottinghamshire today, Nottingham in particular, started a job out here, and it'll involve a little bit of commute, 1 day a week. Basically, what I've been doing for the last 10k or so is the route that I'd likely take. Drive, park somewhere out the city, and then cycle the rest of the way in. Though this particular segregated cycle lane is one of very few in Nottingham, I actually mapped it on ridebygravel.com. And this kind of thing what cities and towns up and down the UK desperately need. Next stop on this bit of adventure around Nottingham, the canal. Not been down here before, so see where it goes. Yeah, so apparently following the Nottingham Canal, but it doesn't appear to be, well, where's the canal? following the Erewash Valley Trail at the moment. Been an interesting ride so far. Been mostly off-road as expected. So I'm just the other side of the Mapley Reservoir at the moment, and it's very up and down. And I've had my breakfast. Sorry I didn't get the camera out to record it. I was very cold. Also I was inside with those people. I still find it embarrassing to sit there seemingly talking to myself. I tell you what, I'm suitably impressed by the trails and walks around here. There was a lot of opportunity for riding a bike off-road. Check this out, a really unassuming location. Don't know if it's a deer or what. There's obviously an owl on top and a little bunny rabbit. So on the very end there, a little squirrel. I wonder if it's a grey one. Oh, it's a horse. I can see the big eye now, look. So just stopped to take my arm warmers off again. The sun is starting to poke out through the clouds, so it's walled up a little bit. I know I said it's pretty much flat, right? It never is completely flat, is it? There's one more categorised climb to go, done 3 out of 4, so that's 170k away. I think it's the one near Nottinghamshire University, so that's a good few hours away yet. It's not all gravel and cycle paths. Not my favourite kind of wood though, along the edge of a field. It just happens that the field's been ploughed long enough ago that it's settled a bit. So what I'm going to do at the end of this ride is head over to ridebygravel.com and record the services that I've been riding on as best as possibly can while it's sort of fresh in my memory. Obviously phones aren't the best for recording, not the best things for recording such routes in precise detail, but we'll give it a go. Well, that precision you have to have with your fingers, but I'll give it a shot. Simplified it a lot on mobile now, try to make it just a little bit easier in that the only mode available to draw with is walking mode. If you need to access cycling mode, more importantly free draw mode, you can jump on a laptop or desktop PC. But this way I've got plenty of time this evening in the caravan to mess around. This is an interesting forest, I'll try to remember this. So we're heading over to Sherwood Pines and a bike park. That's coming up fairly soon, I think. Yes, there's lots of woods and trails and everything. I'm really loving Nottinghamshire for the choice of where to ride this gravel bike. Wow, I don't know where this place is, but I'm not coming this way again. Not kidding you, I literally had to lift my bike way up above my head. It's like a 6 foot, maybe 6.5 foot iron gate, no way to squeeze a bike through. Just literally all the way up in the air. At least I know I can do it. But yeah, great, except not for bikes. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop it, it's French vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some French vibes in my way. Straight on or through this shithole. Oh my god, I can't see anything. Can we just dance? Can we just dance and forget about it? Tired of the race. Can we just dance and forget about it? Century Ride, bike park in the middle. Why not? Mix it up a little bit. I think it was, when was the last time I was here? October? when I got caught out in the rain at the end. I'll put a link to that video in the corner.
Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I just need to stop and have some fresh vibes in my head. Let it all go, darling, let it all go. I'm not trying to run, just need some fresh vibes in my way.
Didn't realise there were so many forest tracks. It's brilliant. I'm amazed by this route. Wow. I'm amazed by Nottinghamshire. Lots of great stuff to ride. Onto the Southwell or Southwell Trail now. So this is going to be 7.25 miles long. Surprising when you ride road all the time. What such a network of routes there are. Admittedly, most of it's not gravel and most of it is substandard, but it is there if you well, you don't even have to look that hard, to be honest. You just got to get out there, ride it, enjoy it, embrace the UK gravel. I think this is one of the best trails I've ever ridden. It just seems like it's made for this bike. That's it, come to the end of my ride. And I don't really get it because it comes to 143 kilometres, not 160. I'm sure I didn't miss any out. Don't know what happened there. Very strange. I know it came up the very first thing in the morning, complaining about too many points on the map. And it looks like I'm not here by myself. I've got a camper van there, a van over there. There it is, the Nuke Proof Digger Factory. Oh wow, it's still a little bit light. And to answer some questions from a few people down in the comments below over the last few videos who have seen this mudguard. Yeah, it's pretty cool, isn't it? It's the Arse Saver. Well, not the traditional Arse Saver. This one is called the Win Wings. Yeah, I know it's a stupid name, isn't it? But I've not put it through its paces in really thick mud yet, but so far so good. I just perhaps need some sort of solution here or there. Don't know, there must be something out there. And she goes. Oh, get used to this van life. I'm going to settle into the evening. It's still pretty early, it's about 8 o'clock. Get the phone charged, you charged. The Garmin, don't need to charge that. They'll last forever. Well folks, I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I'm going to enjoy this evening putting those segments into ridebygravel.com. If you want to go check out that website, I will be telling you what it's all about at some point soon, but basically it's the website that I've developed. I wanted a means to record where I'm a bike in terms of what the surfaces are, like grass, double track, single track, where are the high quality cycle tracks, the segregated cycleways and things like that. Also on there you'll find gravel events. So I'm really trying to expand that side, make it as interesting as possible for a wider audience. So go check it out, it's ridebygravel.com. Right, I'm going to leave this video here. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm going out riding again tomorrow, recording the adventures, the Grantham Canal. Anyway, that's for the next video. Take care, I'll see you later. Bye.